Welcome to Tool Mentorship, your trusted channel for detailed tool reviews and expert recommendations. Are you a woodworker looking to achieve that smooth, professional finish on your projects? Or maybe you're tired of spending hours sanding manually? Well, you've come to the right place. In today's video, we're diving into the best drum sanders available on Amazon. Price point is given for each of tool boxes and the 4 magazines included in the cases. These powerful tools can take your woodworking to the next level by ensuring precise and uniform sanding on every piece of material. We'll be reviewing some of the top-rated models including the Partic PM2144 drum sander, JWDS 1632 drum sander, Shop Fox Y1053 open-end drum sander, Grizzly G1066Z drum sander, and Supermax Tools drum sander. These sanders are loved by professionals and hobbyists alike for their power, efficiency, and durability. Make sure to stick around till the end because each product has unique features that could be the perfect fit for your needs. And don't forget, check the description box and the first comment for direct links to all these products. Whether you're upgrading your workshop or starting fresh, these tools will be a game changer. Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest reviews. Let's jump right into the reviews. Partic PM244 drum sander. The Partic PM244 drum sander is a top-tier machine designed for serious woodworkers who demand precision and power. Featuring a 5 HP motor, this sander can handle the toughest materials with ease. Its 24-inch capacity allows you to sand larger panels effortlessly, making it perfect for professional projects. One standout feature is its digital depth readout, which ensures you achieve the exact thickness you want every time. The dual-speed drum lets you switch between light and aggressive sanding, while the conveyor belt ensures smooth feeding without jamming or slippage. Built with industrial-grade materials, this sander is built to last, providing consistent performance for years to come. The Partic PM244 also includes an efficient dust collection system, keeping your workspace clean and your lungs safe. If you're looking for a machine that combines power, precision, and durability, this is it. Check the link in the description to get yours today. JWDS 162 drum sander. Compact and efficient, the JWDS 162 drum sander is a versatile choice for woodworkers with limited space. Despite its smaller footprint, this sander boasts a powerful 1.5 HP motor and an open-end design, allowing you to sand pieces up to 32 inches wide by flipping them over. The variable speed conveyor gives you total control, letting you adjust feed rates depending on the material you're sanding. Its toolless abrasive belt change system saves time and makes maintenance hassle-free. Additionally, the parallelism adjustment dial ensures consistent sanding across your workpiece. What's more, the JWDS 1632 is incredibly user-friendly, making it a fantastic choice for beginners and experienced woodworkers alike. Don't wait, grab yours from the link in the description. Shop Fox 1533 open-end drum sander 18. The Shop Fox 1533 is an excellent balance of affordability and performance. Designed with an 18-inch open-end configuration, it provides ample space for medium-sized projects while maintaining a compact form factor. Equipped with a 1.5 HP motor and a precision conveyor belt, this sander ensures smooth and consistent feeding of materials. One of its best features is the quick clean belt system, which allows you to change sanding belts effortlessly. Additionally, the sturdy build of the Shop Fox minimizes vibration, giving you a flawless finish every time. Whether you're a DIYer or a professional, this drum sander is a reliable addition to your workshop. Check the product link below to explore its features further. Grizzly G1066Z drum sander. If you're working on large-scale projects, the Grizzly G1066Z drum sander is your go-to option. Powered by a robust 5 HP motor, this dual-drum machine handles heavy-duty tasks with ease. The dual-drum design lets you use 2 different grids simultaneously, saving time and ensuring perfect results. Its variable speed conveyor gives you precise control over feed rates, making it suitable for a wide range of materials. The cast-iron construction ensures durability and stability, reducing vibration for smoother operation. With the Grizzly G26ZZ, you'll get professional quiet finishes every time. Check the description for the link. Supermax Tools drum sander. The Supermax Tools drum sander is known for its innovative features and ease of use. Its patented quick adjustment lever allows for precise height adjustments, making it perfect for projects requiring detailed work. The sander is equipped with IntelliSand technology, which automatically adjusts the conveyor speed based on the load, ensuring consistent results without burning or oversanding. Lightweight yet durable, this sander is an excellent choice for both professionals and hobbyists. Don't miss out. Check the link in the description. That's our comprehensive review of the best drum sanders on Amazon. From the powerful Powermatic PM2444 to the innovative Supermax Tools drum sander, there is a perfect option for every woodworking need. Whether you're a professional craftsman or a passionate DIYer, investing in a quality drum sander will save you time and effort while delivering professional-grade results. Remember to check the description box and the first comment for direct links to all the products we discussed today. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your woodworking friends, and don't forget to subscribe to Tool Mentorship for more expert reviews and recommendations. Let us know in the comments which sander you're considering or if you have any questions. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Sunday Dayo.